Okay guys, here is your instruction for the week of April 6th through April 12th. Here's your weekly checklist again. Answer the quick right. Read By the Waters of Babylon. It's a short story. Answer the comprehension check questions, and of course make sure you turn this all in on Google Classroom no later than Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So assignment number 1 for the week is the quick write. So we're going to consider the video that we watched, the launch text that we read, and what you already know as you answer the prompt. So the prompt is on page 701 of your textbook, and it says, which matters more, the present or the future? Again, you guys are going to click right in here. It's highlighted. This is where you put your response. You might have something like this. Obviously, this will not be here when you guys fill yours out, but to give you guys an idea of what I'm expecting, not just one word answer, not just present or future. You actually need to have a because, kind of expand on this. So you might say something like, I think the present matters more than the future because the present affects both people who live on the planet now and the people who will live on it in the future. By thinking about the present, we can make sure the future is as great as it can be. The future represents potential and possibility, but first we must get there. When the nuclear blast discussed in Dreams Winter happened, it took place during the present, and it had a lasting effect on the future. Assignment number 2, read By the Waters of Babylon. This is a short story. It's found in your textbook on page 705. This is a science fiction short story. It's written by Stephen Vincent Benet. The narrator is a member of a tribe living in the hills. He's unnamed, but he is the son of a priest, and he's learned to read and to write the language of the gods, as well as how to hunt and survive in the wilderness, and how to scavenge metal tools from dead places. The gods built these, but are long dead. The narrator grows to adulthood in his tribe and decides that he must travel on a long journey east to the forbidden place of the gods. You guys have a choice of either reading it on your own, following along with the embedded audio right here, or you guys can use the Bounce app. As you read, annotate and find anything you really notice. Specifically, here's my hint since we're not actually together, look for repetition. Assignment number 3. This is the comprehension check for By the Waters of Babylon. This time I created a Google form. This is also attached in Google Classroom. If you guys saw that there was the Google Slides, this thing here, as well as the Google form. This is the direct link to the form, but you could also do it through Google Classroom. It really doesn't matter. There's only 5 questions, but it will grade it for you automatically, and that is the score that I will be putting in for you guys.